Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Bordio Tutorial 2025. Whether you are a team leader aiming to boost productivity, a freelancer managing multiple clients, or simply looking for a better way to organize your projects, this tutorial will show you how Bordio can help you streamline your workflow, enhance team collaboration, and stay on top of your progress effortlessly. If you are new to project management tools, no worries. I'll be covering the platform from the ground up, making it easy for you to follow along. And if you are considering switching to Bordio from another tool, this video will highlight its key features and show you how to maximize its potential. So whether you are managing a small team or overseeing large-scale projects, this guide will give you all the knowledge you need to use Bordio confidently and effectively. Once you log in into Bordio, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your tasks, projects, and overall workflow. This intuitive and well-organized space allows you to instantly view and monitor your workload, helping you stay on top of deadlines and priorities. The dashboard features a task overview, which neatly displays your current and upcoming tasks, categorized by priority. This makes it easy to identify high priority items and focus on what needs immediate attention. To help you plan and manage your time effectively, Bordio offers calendar integration, a visual layout of your tasks and deadlines across daily, weekly, or monthly views. This feature ensures you can map out your schedule and avoid missing important due dates. For added efficiency, the dashboard includes quick access panels, providing shortcuts to frequently accessed projects, recently updated tasks, and notifications. This enables you to navigate Bordio with ease, saving time by quickly jumping to relevant sections. With its clear layout and real-time updates, the dashboard offers a comprehensive snapshot of your workload, making it easy to stay organized, prioritize effectively, and maintain steady progress on your projects. Task and Project Management. Your task management system is designed to be both powerful and user-friendly, making it easy to create, organize, and prioritize your tasks efficiently. To get started, simply click the plus or add task button. For instance, you can create a task name, finalize marketing strategy, assign it a specific project, set a deadline, and mark its priority level. This allows you to stay organized and ensure important tasks are clearly defined. For repetitive or ongoing tasks, Bordio offers the option to create recurring tasks. This feature is particularly useful for regular activities, such as weekly team meetings or monthly reports, as it automatically generates the tasks on your preferred schedule, reducing the need for manual entries. To help you manage larger objectives, Bordio enables you to break down complex tasks to smaller, manageable subtasks. For example, under the Finalized Marketing Strategy task, you could add subtasks like research competitor ads and draft presentation, making it easier to track progress and tackle projects in smaller, achievable steps. Bordio also features drag and drop functionality, allowing you to effortlessly reschedule or reassign tasks by moving them to new dates or different projects. This makes it easy to adjust timelines and priorities on the fly. To further enhance organization, you can apply custom labels with color-coded tasks. For example, you might use blue for internal tasks and red for client-related ones, making it easy to visually categorize and prioritize your workload at a glance. With these flexible and intuitive task management features, Bordio ensures you can stay on top of your responsibilities and maintain a clear, organized workflow. Bordio offers a streamlined and efficient project management system, making it easy to create, organize, and oversee your projects. To get started, simply click the plus or add project button. You can then name your project, example, Project Launch Campaign, and assign it to the relevant team members. This ensures that everyone involved has access to the project and its associated tasks. Within each project, you can add specific tasks such as design ad creatives or set up email campaign. Assign them to individual team members and set clear deadlines. This structured approach ensures that responsibilities are clearly defined and timelines are effectively managed. To help you track project health at a glance, Bordio uses visual status indicators. These indicators highlight the current status of each project. green for projects that are on track, moving along as planned, yellow for those that are at risk, signaling potential delays or issues, red for delayed projects, indicating that they require immediate attention. For a more detailed view, you can switch to the Gantt chart view, which provides a visual project timeline. This feature allows you to drag and drop tasks to adjust schedules, making it easy to accommodate shifting deadlines or changing priorities. You can also link dependent tasks, ensuring that connected activities remain aligned and properly sequenced. With its intuitive project management tools, Bordio makes it simple to organize complex workloads, monitor project status, and adapt to changing demands, helping you keep your projects on track and your team aligned. Collaboration, calendar, and integrations. Collaboration is key to effective project management, and Bordio makes it simple with its built-in communication tools. The team discussions feature allows you to start conversations within specific projects, making it easy to ask for feedback or clarify task details. You can also upload files directly to projects or tasks. For example, attaching a logo design file to the Design Add Creatives task. With real-time updates, you'll receive notifications whenever tasks are updated or completed, keeping everyone informed without the need for endless email chains. You can also mention team members by typing at followed by their username or email, which notifies them of specific comments or updates. Bordio's calendar and time management tools are perfect for planning your day effectively. You can toggle between daily, weekly, and monthly views to visualize your schedule. The time blocking feature allows you to allocate specific time slots for individual tasks. For instance, blocking 2 to 3 p.m. for drafting the marketing plan. Bordio also integrates with Google Calendar, enabling you to sync your task with your existing schedule. To ensure you never miss a deadline, the platform offers reminders and notifications for upcoming tasks. To enhance its functionality, Bordio offers seamless integrations with various third-party tools. You can connect with Slack and Microsoft Teams to receive task updates directly in your team chat. It also supports Google Drive and Dropbox integration, allowing you to attach files from your cloud storage. For those migrating from other platforms, Bordio makes the transition easy by offering Trello import functionality, allowing you to bring over existing tasks without hassle. To maximize your experience with Bordio, consider these pro tips. First, set clear priorities to stay focused on the most important tasks. Second, use the calendar feature to manage your time efficiently and avoid last-minute rushes. Finally, leverage Bordio's reporting tools to analyze performance and continuously optimize your team's productivity. That wraps up this in-depth Bordio tutorial. We have covered everything from task management and project timelines to collaboration, calendar features, and integrations. And that is all there is on Bordio Tutorial 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.